Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Happy Mail that I received from my friend Ara. She's the Paper Treasury on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll definitely have her link down below. So I wanted to share with you some little V-Day stuff that she sent me. We agreed to do a V-Day swap and she sent hers early to surprise me because I didn't even expect this, you guys. She's a sneaky one. But sorry if the lighting's a little off. It's a little gloomy over here. It actually even snowed a little bit, but we can get through. I don't think it's that bad. I think I've had worse lighting than this. But yeah, you guys, let's get into this Happy Mail because it's super cute. And I didn't even open the box, as you can see. So I haven't even seen like the inside because I really wanted to save it for a video. I did look at the goodies in the back of the pocket letters, but the box I have not opened. So she sent me 14 days, like almost like an advent calendar, like a little 14-day advent calendar for Valentine's Day. And then she sent me an embellishment box and also some extra goodies. So let's go through the 14 days of the pocket letter, which is so cute. I love the colors, so pretty. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is what it looks like in the front. And then this is the second page. I love her. She's so cute. Sexy. Isn't this cute, you guys? I love it. It's so pretty. Alright, let's go. Let's dig in. Let's dig in, you guys. That's my letter, so I'm not going to be taking that out. Because that's for me. And only me. Okay. Oh, we got some labels. You guys, Ada is like the queen of labels. She loves them so much. And the other day, I think she made a video and she showed her huge box of like labels while she was crafting, I think it's a pocket letter if I'm not mistaken. And you guys, she truly inspired me to make, not as big as hers, she's like the queen of it, but something small. And I made myself a small label box. Look, you guys, all inspired by my girlie. Isn't that cute? I think this is enough for me. I don't really need like the stash that she has. Her stash is incredible. But look, you guys, she sent me some more. So I'm going to add those in there. And then, let's see what she sent me. She sent me some die cuts. I'm going to bring the focus up so that you guys can see everything much better. Okay. Let's see what's in this little package. Have you guys started on your Valentine's Day mail? I've been creating a bunch of embellishments and stuff like that, but I haven't made actual mail yet for my pen pals. Okay. Look, you guys, this is what was in the little pocket. Isn't that cute? That's it. So I'm going to add it to my little V-Day stash so that I can use it when I make my mail. And I always save these little bags. And then she sent me some, I think this is, let's see, what is this? Oh, just like some glitter, some fine glitter. I like this color, my god, that hot pink. It's cute. Got some more die cuts in here. Let's see what we got. More little goodies to use on V-Day. Oh, I think she sent me some lashes that she had cut. Alright, I'm going to put them all like this so that you guys can see them all. These are the ones that she sent. Check out the lashes, you guys. So cute. I love it. I love it. I'm going to be using it on my V-Day mail, because I have a little V-Day stash on my desk. She sent me some of that string she loves to use, and she didn't send me a repeat because she sent me the gold one and I found it the other day in my stash, and now I have 3 more colors. I got the green, the silver, and the purple. Thank you for that, because I don't own any of those. She sent me some washi samples. I won't take those out, but she sent me some washi samples. Some little stickers with the little hearts and the smiley faces. These are like super popular this year. Let me take my letter out of here so I can read it later. And then we're gonna flip over to this side, and I love when she sends me tons of die cuts. I'm a die cut hoarder. These are V-Day stickers. I'm gonna take them out because they're small. You see them? Cute little hearts and stuff. I don't want to take those out. Ooh, she sent me some of her little girls that she's been using on her pocket letters. Aren't they cute, you guys? Love them. More little cuts. Oh, these feel like chipboard. Let's see. Hashtag rad like a boss. I love this. They feel a little thicker. They're not exactly chipboard, or they probably are, but like they feel more sturdier than regular cardstock. She sent me some little hearts. Those are cute. Don't have anything like that either. Some more little three-dimensional stickers. Cute. Oh, I think she sent me a bunch of more lashes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, she did. She sent me 3 sets of lips and a bunch of more lashes. She hooked it up. Yes, she did. She always does, though. Let's see what else is here. We got a couple more die cuts. We got Love You More. Love. See what we got on this side. We got the end. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh, I love this. I love that little girl. I might have to hoard her. I might not be able to share her. She sent me some cute little pins. Those are cute. Sometimes I rip off the pins and use them as flares. These are cute. I don't have V-Day flares. I think I have some from last year that Becky sent me. If you guys don't know who Becky is, she's like the queen of flares. Okay, on to the next. So this is the pocket letter up close. Isn't it cute, you guys? Thank you so much, Anna, for this. I love it. She also sent me some candy. I always forget to put candy in my swaps. I don't know why. She sent me a Valentine's Day stamp. She sent me some sequins. Look how pretty that is. And then she sent me this cute little heart. And inside this heart, no candy, no candy. She put some more little goodies like brads and these little table scatters. Isn't that cute? You can put them in like your what do you call it? Shaker pockets and stuff. And then she sent me a few goodie bags for Valentine's Day, like to share with my pen pals. And a pack of stickers of little hearts with all different designs on them. Look at the little mustache. And then, you guys, we decided to also add to our swap a little embellishment box. And this is what she sent me. And I'm about to cut it open. A little gold doily. Well, we're going to leave you there. Because I'm going to somehow attach this here to leave it there. I don't really reuse the boxes and stuff like that. I like to keep it the way they send them to me. Oh my god, you guys, look. She sent me some more die cuts. The little Happy Mail. And then the little glasses with the lashes. Ah, I love these. I was looking at that in the pocket letter and I was hoping she sent me some. She sent me some more little gold die cuts. She sent me these cute little heart clips with a little sequins heart. Like those. I don't have those. Ooh, some cute little Valentine's Day embellishments. I love her embellishments. You guys, I'm gonna have her channel linked down below. I'm pretty sure you guys know who she is, but she makes the cutest embellishments. She has a unique style. She made me some more. Oops, got stuck to the crinkle paper. She made me some more over here. Aren't those the cutest? Those are so fun to add to anything. Like, it'll just jazz up any little project. She sent me some more of that string. Oh, she did send me some gold. So now I have two. She sent me some more of that string she uses behind her embellishments and a cute little heart. Let's put you back in here. More of those cute little girls. And then in these two, she added a bunch, and I mean a bunch, which I'm so excited about. I don't have these, of little hearts. Aren't those cute? Oh, this is amazing. I loved it, of course, but I knew I would because everything she sends me, I truly enjoy. But yeah, you guys, that is my Happy Mail. I'll bring on the focus. That is my Happy Mail from my friend Ara. I will have her link down below so you guys can definitely check her out. And yeah, that's it for my video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to see when I upload more videos. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.